In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to upload or import manual journals Xero. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go in Xero, how to prepare the template, and how to bring your journals in cleanly and accurately. Start on your Xero dashboard and head to the accounting menu. This is where the core financial tools live, and it's the quickest way to reach the journal functions. If you can't see what I'm showing, you may need the right user permission, so check with your administrator before proceeding. From the accounting menu, open Manual Journals. This section holds all the journals you create outside of invoices and bills, and it's designed for adjustments, accruals, and other bookkeeping entries that keep your accounts balanced. Inside Manual Journals, choose Import. Instead of entering lines one by one, importing lets you bring in multiple journals in one go, which is especially helpful at month end or when migrating data. Before you upload anything, download Xero's manual journal template. Using the official template is important because the column names, order, and data types are already set up the way Xero expects. Save the file to your computer and avoid changing the column headers or adding extra columns, hidden rows, or merged cells. Those can trigger errors during import. Also, make a note of date formats and account code formatting used in your organization. Open the template and copy your journal data into it. Each journal can have multiple lines. Just make sure the date, narration, or description, and any shared identifiers are consistent on those lines. The big rule here is that total debits must equal total credits for every journal. Use the exact account codes from your chart of accounts, apply tracking categories if your organization uses them, and include tax details only if they're required in your setup. Keep numbers clean. No currency symbols, no commas, and use plain text where requested. If the template includes a status field, setting entries to draft is a safe choice so you can review them in Xero before approving. Back in Xero, click Browse and select the completed template file you saved. Confirm you're choosing the correct file for the correct organization and period to avoid overwriting or duplicating work. Finally, click Import. Xero will validate the file and show you any issues it finds. If you see errors, note what needs fixing, update the template, and re-import. When everything looks right, your journals will appear in Manual Journals, ready for your usual review and approval process. That's it. Your manual journals are now uploaded efficiently and accurately.